is early. I'm gonna go to No Glue to get some gluten-free pastries. Let's go. I'm wearing the same sweater as yesterday, but I'm wearing my vintage top and black trousers. I made it to my bus stop. Hopefully, I'm on time and it's coming. I don't have that much time before my class starts, so it's gonna be a very quick run. I already know what I want to get. I'm gonna come back here, eat really quick, drop off my things, and then go to school. I'm so happy right now. You guys don't even understand. And I got there right when they opened, so they're so fresh. You guys, I secured my pain au chocolat and my baguette. No Glue has the best gluten-free pastries. It's so good and flaky.